Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome. You can go ahead and subscribe down below. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I unravel these fluffy bohemian twists. And I know this has been a highly requested video because I did the rubber band and crochet method, and a lot of people wanted to know how do they pull this out without damaging and breaking their hair. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do that. There's no particular technique in how I do this. All I do is unravel the twist, then pop the rubber band with the scissors, and it doesn't tug my hair at all. So this method I also used for my passion twist. So it's gonna be the same thing that I did to remove my passion twist. Now I know my hair is looking a little bit crazy right now. I haven't been taking care of the twist itself in about a couple of days now. I haven't tied it down at night. I haven't moisturized it. I haven't moisturized the hair. I haven't really done anything because I know it's gonna pull it out soon. So it's looking a little bit messy now. I have some new growth and all of that, but I just knew I was gonna pull it out, so it didn't matter to me. Now so far I unraveled the twist. And basically this is where I started when I was twisting the hair. Let me get a little bit closer for you guys. Okay, this is where I started with the twist. And you guys can see the knot and all of that. You can see my hair is already separated from the whole thing. So my hair, this is my hair and this is the crochet hair. So what I could do either one of two things. I could either pull the hair from the knot here and pull it out, or I could identify the rubber band, which I did. And I'm going to take a piece of the rubber band that I separate from everything else. There's no hair in it, and also I used olive oil on the rubber band so it wasn't tugging on my hair. None of my rubber bands popped. It was actually some pretty good rubber bands, because not one of them actually popped. So make sure y'all can see what's happening. I'm looking in a mirror right now and I just popped the rubber band. So as soon as the rubber band is popped, everything comes out. No, don't tug too much, and oh, voila. And that is basically it. Like I told you guys, no rocket science. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. And there you have it. I could even use back this hair. Like, what are y'all saying? I could use this hair again if I really wanted to. So that's a really safe way to take it out. Just pull out the knots and take it out, and everything is intact. I didn't lose any edges. Everything is still good. Now this one has this gold thing on it, so I just slide the gold thing right out. Another thing is to unravel it neatly if you must. If not, if you're getting these little knots like I am right now, just pull it apart. Nothing too hard, you know. The hair was moisturized and all of that. I used beeswax and olive oil and a little bit of gel. So the hair should be easily managed and not tangled. Now I've turned my hair to the side again. Usually my rubber bands are in the back. When I did the crochet and rubber band method, my rubber bands were disguised in the back. So I just flip the hair over and then I see the rubber band. Now you can use a rat tail comb to find the rubber band, or I have long nails so I just use the nails. And after you find it, you just need one little strand of rubber band and make sure that it's clear of your hair or any other hair. And then you take your scissors and you pop that baby. After you pop that baby, everything just pretty much slides out. Just like that. And it is pretty easy. There we go again. Everything intact, nothing pulled. Edges are still in place. And yeah, that is basically it for pulling this out. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It was easy going in, easy coming out. And also, I don't know who told me it was a good idea to get studs on my nails. Both of them like went off. I don't know who told me to get those, and I know I was gonna be doing my natural hair. And also very important, do not pop the rubber band before you actually unravel the twist fully straight up to the roots. because you don't want to cause any knots, any confusion, anything like that. Just make sure you untwist the hair first, then you pop the rubber band. Now for the passion twist, if you're trying to pull out the passion twist, obviously it's easier to just cut the crochet hair wherever a good amount of length from where you think your natural hair ends, and it will be easy to just unravel and then take the elastics out. Now if you're trying to save the elastic bands, obviously this is not the method of pulling it out for you, but I don't really care for the elastic bands, so this is the safest way I thought of taking it out without hurting my hair, was to hurt the rubber band and not my hair. The olive oil trick or oil trick with the rubber bands was clutch as hell. So I got all the hair out without any hair being lost in the process. There was no tugging. Everything was just seamless. It literally took me 45 minutes to pull out the entire thing. Now I know I look crazy. I'm about to deep condition my hair and style it a little bit. And also the only shedding that I saw was natural shedding of having your hair in a protective styling. So there wasn't anything drastic, nothing done. It was perfect in protecting my hair in this harsh winter weather, and I'm definitely going to do another twist. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Basically what I did was wash my hair, conditioned it, and put a little bit of Aunt Jackie's curl gel. Is it curl gel? I don't know, but it's Aunt Jackie's gel. I didn't know what to do with my hair, so I just threw on this head wrap that you can get from CC's Closet. I'll leave the link down below. And yeah, that's basically it. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damnthatschev. I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.